Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Valentine's Day. I just thought that I would just like film a little bit and show you guys how I get ready. I already got my nails done this morning. I have to do my hair and I already picked out an outfit, but it's not totally like foolproof. I don't think I like that lock necklace. If this doesn't work, once I put it on, I'm probably just gonna wear like jeans and I don't know, I'll figure it out. I washed my wig last night. I hate this hair, but I did not get a chance to buy hair. I have to go take a shower. I only have about like 3.5-ish hours to get ready. So I need to start now because I am really slow. And my boyfriend said latest 5:30 I need to be ready. And he told me 5 because he knows that I take forever to get ready. So yeah, I don't want to be that person today and make us late. So I'm gonna start right now. So time to go take a shower. I had to turn the light off because of my bathroom fan, but I'm using this Pixie Peel and Polish to basically exfoliate my skin. I have to work a little bit faster than this or I'm not gonna be ready. Skincare is done. Time to do my hair. Whenever I do not need a clip, I find them everywhere. But when I do need these stupid little butterfly clips, they're nowhere to be found. And it's making me so mad. I found one. My brother just called me to pick him up from school, which is so annoying because I thought he had wrestling. And I'm still not done with my hair. And it's 3:06, and like I said, I need to be done by 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna make him walk, like, I'm gonna pick him up like down the block from his school, which is kind of mean, but it's gonna be a lot easier for me. That's another thing I hate. You ask me to pick you up, but you don't pick up your phone. Make it make sense, please.
Allyson, is so cold out.
Yeah, but I'm in a rush.
Please.
John, I can't. I'm in a rush. Please start walking there.
Oh my God.
Oh. Okay, well. So sorry. It is not that cold outside. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 31 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, I guess it is kind of cold.
Expect a low of 16 degrees.
Sup? Are you mad at me?
Yes, that was not quick at all.
John, 6 minutes? That is, first of all, that's quick. Second of all,
No, that's not.
I saw a kid walking home in a brisk jacket, okay? Put your seatbelt on. So, John, do you have a Valentine today?
No.
No one? You don't like anyone at your school?
No, they're weird.
Yeah, I am back home, so I'm gonna start doing my edges and then my hair is done, basically. Thank you.
These are yours.
Wow, I can't believe you. All right, I hear him coming. Hopefully this is, I mean, why would he come in without a gift for me? Oh my gosh, thank you. What is this? This is so cute. But I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not gonna do anything too crazy with my makeup. I like to look like myself. Not that I don't look like myself when I have makeup on, but I like to look natural. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:56 p.m.
I'm almost done. This is cute. I think I like this. This is really cute. I just need to figure out whether or not I'm going to wear this chain necklace. I think it could be cute with it. I don't know if it's tacky or not. I love this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I do need earrings, but I really want like a pair of gold studs. I do have a pair of these rose earrings, but I don't think they go with what I'm wearing. But I never wear them and they have hearts, so I'm gonna wear them today anyway. Oh my goodness, I don't know how people survive with longer nails than these. All right, so I just put in the earrings. My ears are all red because it was a struggle. I really want to wear sneakers because I feel like it would look so much better with what I'm wearing. He is wearing Chelsea boots, so I think maybe these or these. I think definitely the heeled boots. I think this might be too casual. I don't really know. So my sister's saying that I should wear these.
I wasn't even sure if I like the outfit as a whole.
Oh my gosh. She doesn't like the headpiece.
It's one of these that's throwing me off.
So you think I should take off this? I guess that would make it look more dressy if I took this off.
Now put it back down.
So without the necklace, it does look more dressy now. So I think without the necklace, the booties work. So not wearing the necklace because she said it looks bad. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I decided to wear the gray jacket and then this. I decided to wear the booties. And yeah, and I'm wearing this cute little bag from Shein. This is from Princess Polly, Shein. This jacket's from Toby, and then these shoes are from Nasty Gal. It's funny because my sister just walked to my room. She's like, didn't you just clean your room? I don't know about you guys, but whenever I get ready, look at this. Like, I don't know how people get ready and still keep their room in one piece. But the difference is, instead of leaving it like this, I'm going to clean it tomorrow so I can keep my room clean. That's my goal for February, to just keep my room clean. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll try to insert little clips of like what we do. If I forget, then I'm sorry, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. I ended up putting a necklace on. We're leaving at 5:38. 8 minutes past when we were supposed to, but that's a lot better than other times.